So yun, good afternoon sa inyo lahat. So kakatapos lang po ng ating free training seminar. So magtatanong na tayo sa mga ilang customers natin or yung mga umattend na mga ng training seminar natin ngayon regarding sa mga experience nila sa training na kinandak natin ngayon.
Hi, I'm Don Cabanyero from Chai's Hangout Cafe from Antipolo, Rizal.
Hello, my name is John Valdez here in the Philippines, and visited the Budo training here, Philippines, the coffee training. Very excellent training, professional staff here. And yeah, we're visiting from Washington.
Nakatira po sa may bago nilang Caloocan. And may plano po kami magtayo pa ng business para tindahan po namin ang produkto ng Budo Tea. So far naman po, mas maayos naman siya ngayon. And marami po kami natututunan sa pag-measurement sa mga iba't ibang flavors ng milk teas and coffees and other fruit teas na ano nila.
Napakaganda experience ng Budo training in Philippines because you learn a lot pagdating sa paggawa ng mga drinks, and malaking tulong siya doon sa business na pinunta.
Very excellent. Once you come down, they're very helpful. Any questions you might have in the middle of the training, and they also let you taste all the special drinks that they made. It was measured. The sweetness, it was in between, not too sweet, not too bitter. It was just right. And the way they prepared it, it was measured correctly. I was amazed of how they measured it to get the perfect taste.
Masarap yung lasa nila kasi yung mga ingredients is masarap talaga. And napaka-affordable niya. So sa ingredients natin, sa isang ingredients, marami kang magagawa ng drinks.
Halos naman din sila magbigay ng mga services kasi binibigay nila lahat kung ano yung kailangan ng mga customer na and lahat ipoprovide nila with their helps, and kahit yung mga simpleng bagay na gagawa nila.
Napaka-accommodating ng mga trainers natin, kahit ng marketing natin, and talagang pag may gusto kong malaman, sasagutin nila sa'yo ng harapan.
It's a free training, but with the price of to start your own business, it's very fair, I believe, coming from somebody from the US. And I recommend that, yeah, you come and see the training and take advantage of all the products. Thank you.